price is around 5.6 something. In terms of, say for example, sa pag-ibig, papatak siya na kailangan mo mag 30% down payment. If you will go with bank, for instance, that would be 10% down payment. So, in terms of DP, halimbawa yes. So, DP for pag-ibig is at 24 months, that's papatak siya ng around 60 plus. I know you provided a certain budget, but as mentioned a while ago, the good thing about it is that what you can do is you can spot DP a certain amount that you wanted, and then the remaining will be like distributed for 24 months until such time makuha mo yung gusto mo amount na you're comfortable paying, right? And the good thing as well for pag-ibig is after the DP though, is mas mababa yung amortization mo kasi we have options to extend it from 25 to 30 years. And as mentioned as well, the good thing with pag-ibig too is that hindi mo naman kailangan bayaran siya ng 30 years. Ibig sabihin, if you have extra money along the line, you can actually pay direct to principal para bababa siya yung years of na payment na pwede mong gawin. So, that's sa pag-ibig. Bank is at 10%. So, papasok siya dun sa budget na i-request mo in terms of, however, medyo mag-i-increase siya ng kaunti in terms of the monthly amortization na. Kasi nga, medyo limited yung time niya. Say, for example, for pag-ibig nga, you have like 25 to 30. For bank, sometimes it's around 20 to 25 at max. So, kaya siya medyo nagmataas. Yeah, most of the time people, ang option na choose nila is pag-ibig. But I also wanted to highlight na you have other options kasi bank is a good option.
Close lang yung
pag-ibig is at 6.5, bank is around 7 to 8%. And banks usually, depending on the bank, could increase their interest rate on a yearly basis and or depending sa mapag-usapan at mapag-agreehan ninyo ni bank, sometimes it goes, after 5 years na lang tayo mag-increase ng, depende sa syempre, diba, they need to earn too. So, after 5 years, pwede tayong mag-recalibrate. Tignan natin kung magkano na ang interest. Ganyan. So, yeah. Also, the good thing about it is that this property, for instance, last year, like about a year ago, this is around 4 point something, and this time around it's already 5 million plus. What I'm saying is that yung increase ng value ng property is mabilis. To think na hindi pa nga tapos even yung mga clubhouse, yung mga perks for the homeowners and whatnot. It's just the house and lot. But the percentage of increase is super high. I'm speaking from experience kasi our home, yung sa amin, si Ara naman, nakuha namin siya at around 5 million plus. And now the value is at 5.8.
wow.
Yes. So, see the difference in just a year, right? And again, this is me speaking from experience kasi nga nakatira na kami dito. We feel calm. We feel, what do you call this? It's a good space to build your family